Now we get to go inside and find out. Ooh, you got a knife. Come on, baby.
I'm coming. Sorry, I got...
Can you do it without...
Alright, well, this is the back door headed into the kitchen area. And this is the inside. I don't know.
See, that's the insulation. See all that nice insulation? That's styrofoam, buddy.
Yeah, that's styrofoam. Those are the ceiling tiles. So.
Safety. I mean, it's got a GFI outlet, so we're safe at least.
Yeah. Now the cabinet doors, I don't know if you can see it, are really cool. And kind of that rustic feel.
So I was gonna check this.
Hang on, I'm still showing the cabinets. Of course, the
so this is just a thing to check if something's hot or not. So we do have power to the
box
house.
Yeah.
But so because this is something that checks if something's hot or not, I gotta be careful.
Beep, beep, beep.
See, your mother's evidently hot because it keeps going off every time it gets near her. So we're gonna run out of battery real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see the nice spider? You think it's dead?
Oh. Hey, Landon, what do you think of that? Don't do that. I don't like so. I think he's frozen.
But that's the color we're gonna use. It's that sandy color.
These are the walls of the original cabin right here. And they just built the rest of the house around this one room log cabin. And I love the pantry shelves there, you know, just logs, kind of cool. By the way, what is that? It's like it's got a cord on it and everything. What is that? At least it's not rotary. All right, coming in to the cabin is dark.
Yeah. I don't know if this helps. Not at all.
Not really, but that's okay. The camera's picking it up. So.
Oh, good.
But yeah, in this, you can tell which ones were the interior logs and which ones were the exterior logs. But this fireplace, okay, tacky does not seem to cover the.
But the stone hearth is
But
really
the stone hearth, look at that. Isn't that cool? So your dad and I want to make it into a stone fireplace, and I think that will look really pretty. So they do like their spray foam. And I mean, the ceiling's kind of low, but you know, we're kind of used to that. And they have a little corner cabinet over there.
That's going to come out, I'm sure.
I'm sure. And one little window, but it's just kind of cool. It's kind of cool. And ceiling.
We now have a gun rack.
Oh, hang on.
With a shelf to put the ammo
Oh, look at that. A gun shelf. So.
in. I can do a gun show too.
Oh, look at those. Look at those. I have to go to a wide angle to catch all that. No, for it to fit in the cameras.
And then
Okay, hang on, I'm kind of, but this is the one room cabin and everything else is built around it. So, oh, by the way, I don't know if you can tell how level the floors are. You kind of have to go up and down to go to the bathroom. So
I'm trying to decide if we got to level out in the car, we're going to level it up a little bit and see if it's easier to take it all up or all down.
yeah, but that's the front door.
Look at the between.
Oh, yeah.
It goes from high to
Low. Yeah. But these are again
The logs from that.
The logs from the log
It would have
cabin.
been the exterior.
Right, had they not built around. And they're in really good, anything that was undercover is in really good shape. All right, now we're going across the way into the first bedroom. And picture anyone?
It's all wood.
Yeah, check out it's not sheetrock, it's
It's just quarter-inch.
quarter-inch stuff.
Quarter-inch beadboard.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Probably the cheapest stuff they could use at the time.
At the time.
We got AC for the summer, so
Yeah,
it'll be nice once we are able to fire this puppy up.
yeah.
Cool it
Yeah.
down a little
You
bit.
can tell it's had a few water leaks, but the walls and the ceiling are made of the exact same thing.
Oh, look at that, baby. Look
Hey.
at you.
Oh, wait.
Don't you look fancy?
Yeah. Yes, I have snow pants on. It's cold outside.
It's dark in here.
Yeah, but that's the closet door.
Walk through the closet.
Isn't that cool? But hang on, and before I go through the closet,
Oh.
I want to show you this door. It's
Oh,
just,
that's the door you like?
yeah, it's just a cool 1 by whatever, but it
Old-timey.
yeah, it's got the old time lock on it, but it just reminds me of a
Oh, it's
door.
nice. So it's big planks.
Right, it just reminds me of the door that was at my grandma's farm, and that just is a cool door. And
It's chilly.
yes, it is. And walking through, this is the closet. I know you can't really see anything, but it goes.
So this was probably. So if you come in here, baby.
Oh wait, I'm going downhill. Whee!
So this was the exterior of the second house they
Right.
put on.
Right.
And then this probably was a screened-in porch, and then they made it a
Yeah.
real porch, and they made another screened-in porch after
So
that.
yeah, because it actually,
Whew, it's chilly.
yes, it is. Anyway,
This is fake paneling.
yeah, that's another pretty picture on the wall. But
Can you
they
see the?
did you notice that that door was totally broken?
Yeah. Can you see the?
Yeah, I don't know if y'all can. Maybe if I do this, you can kind of see how the bathrooms. We're going uphill, and there.
Here's the bathroom.
Yeah,
Oh.
that goes to the loft. All right.
Had a washer and dryer.
Okay, coming in.
There's mouse droppings.
Okay, like I said, it's
Well, it hasn't frozen yet,
okay.
so we might dump some stuff in there.
There's the water heater.
Water heater that needs shored up. It's not quite level.
No. And
It's full of water.
the bathtub and shower and okay, and that goes back into the kitchen. All right,
That's a
so
nice door too.
yeah. All
We
right.
got heat.
Oh well, I'll show the heat when we go back down.
Do you want to go up first or last?
No, I'll come up last.
There we go. There's the logs. They're at least 8 inches wide, so that's good.
Yeah. Oh, here's another songbook.
They're really nice hand-hewn logs.
Yeah.
And this would have been a loft. I like how the chimney doesn't quite, the smoke wouldn't have gone.
I think that actually used to be a window.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Yeah. But then they added this on. I don't know if anybody ever lived up here.
This reminds me of the. This reminds me of the top of the Bardstown house.
That is correct.
The,
So I don't know. We'll be able to figure something out. Yep, that was definitely the exterior of the house at one time. So I guess while we're here, we might as well put this window in.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Hey, and by the way, I found a penny. So 6 cents, something like that. Let's see if I can
You
get.
have a sixth sense for getting money, or what? You think it matters which is the top and which is the bottom?
No. Whichever
Which is
one.
the outside and which is the inside?
I don't know. Well,
This.
I would say,
That's how it is.
yeah,
Think it goes here?
yeah. I think it was wired in.
Yep.
Oh my. I don't know if y'all can.
This is first remodeling job. It's gonna look really nice once the window's in.
You can't. There's too much light from outside of it. We have to wire. There you go. It's wired in. I'd say this is still usable space, so. But let me come back over. And the stairs are very steep. Hope you enjoyed the inside tour of the cabin on Frank and Carrie's Adventures. Until next time.